Welcome to our 5-minute video on amazing space facts. Did you know that the nearest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away? That's over 24 trillion miles. The Milky Way, our galaxy, is home to over 100 billion stars. And there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Speaking of the Milky Way, it's estimated to be around 13.6 billion years old. And our solar system, which includes Earth and all the planets that orbit the Sun, is estimated to be around 4.6 billion years old. The largest known planet in our solar system is Jupiter, which is over 11 times larger than Earth. And the smallest known planet is Mercury, which is only about a third the size of Earth.